As a web designer, you've spent years learning valuable skills. Why not turn that knowledge into digital products that earn while you sleep? In this lesson, I'll walk you through how to create online courses, templates, and digital products that generate passive income while helping more people and freeing up your time. Step 1. Know why digital products work. Digital products let you earn beyond client hours, reach people who can't afford full services, create scalable revenue streams, establish authority in your niche. They complement your service business and can eventually become a business of their own. Step 2. Pick the right product for your audience. Start with one of these common types. Mini course. Teach one problem or skill. Template packs Figma, Notion, Webflow, Canva, or WordPress themes. Lead magnet plus funnel. Free PDF to email list to product or service. Email course. 5-day educational series. Workshop replay or masterclass. Record once, sell forever. Don't overbuild. Launch something small and improve as you go. Step 3. Choose your platform. Where you host your product depends on what you're selling. Courses: Gumroad, Podia, Teachable, or Thinkific. Kajabi, templates or downloads. Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or your own site. Start simple. Don't let tech slow you down. Step 4. Outline and build your product. If it's a course, sketch the outline first. 1. What problem are you solving? 2. What are 3 to 5 quick wins or modules? 3. What transformation does the buyer get? Keep videos short, use Loom or screen recordings, and add worksheets if needed. For templates, make them polished and easy to customize. Step 5. Launch with a small audience. You don't need a huge list to start. Try offering a discount to your email list, running a short launch on social media, reaching out to past leads, partnering with another creator. You can always improve and relaunch. The key is to ship. Step 6. Use content to drive traffic. Create content that leads to your product. YouTube tutorial, blog post, social thread, podcast guest spot. This builds trust and drives sales without ads. Creating digital products is about leverage. It lets you help more people, earn more flexibly, and build assets that grow over time. In the next and final lesson, we'll help you define your long-term business vision, whether you want to stay lean or scale big.